So let's start a little bit, right? Let's walk through this very methodically. This is our mainframe environment, right? And there's the job name, MKT, MJN, Mark Joseph Nesson, number 9. And notice that when I run this, the CPU is at 100%, right? 100%. That's busy. And that's what you want to use the systems. But it depends how many MSUs you have and everything else. So here's my job that's running on the mainframe. And then I am going to show you the console, right? The reporting server console. Look what I built here on the left. I have a default service. I built a Tableau service, Power BI, Squirrel. If people want to write Java code against this, Jaspersoft and Cognos, and also Spotfire, right? That's what I have all working against this. And on my reporting server here, if we look at the console for a minute, right? And we scroll over to the right, notice that I'm using the zip engines and how much time I'm spending on those engines. Again, you think of this, you think for the customer saving money right off the bat. You're kidding me, Mark. I said, no, this is real. This is actually going through how much CPU time, how much zip, how much query, all the different metrics that we provide here. Okay. Now I'm going to jump over. Are there any questions on any of this? Again, this is the reporting server running on the mainframe. And you can see if I go to properties, I have a maximum of 400 users or concurrent threads I could run. And for each service, you can control that. And again, remember what I said is that when you run Power BI or Tableau or Click, we can have it go to the service for each tool. Very important for you because you can go back and tell upper management, listen, I know we have a lot of BI tools, but let me tell you, we've got a lot of Power BI and Tableau users using this product, right? So just remember, all these metrics are available for you. So this is the reporting server that I'm running that we're going to be connecting up to. I'm now going to go over to Power BI. And we're going to start one. And this one here was written by our lovely Steve Brayford for me. He goes, bro, let me write it, bro. I'll take care of it. So this is one that's getting mainframe data. And this is, instead of that green screen you saw a minute ago, we can now go against here and slice and dice this data on the fly. Look at this. I could say, oh, just show me females. And everything in flux, whatever we're doing on the visualization from Power BI. Look at this. So you're telling me, Mark, that any Power BI that I have, you can develop against Open Data Hub for Mainframe and build similar reports like this, right? We can go over here, say only show me that, computer science. We can go to psychology, and voila. Now, again, the important thing to note, when I brought the data down, I brought it from the student golden record, which is a sequential file on the mainframe. It brings it down to the PC, and then Power BI uses that local image of that data. So if you wanted to refresh the data, you would go here. But there's also a different way I spoke about, and that is the direct query mode. Let me bring that up over here. So this is another one I did. They're all similar. And notice, let me do this for you. Let me go back to the mainframe because I like to share everything I'm doing. Monitor, go to a live console. Okay. And now when I go back to here, Power BI, when I click on an associate's degree, notice the circles on the other one. That went to the mainframe live to get the data. Look at it, guys. Is this amazing or what? And I'm also saying that it's Power BI that connected up. Again, let me clear it and show you another instance. Very important. I'm going to go back here, and all this is live, guys. I'm going to go here and say, all right, let's turn that off. Let's go against masters. Look at it going. You just see it went? It went to the mainframe that fast, got data from 55 seconds, 106 milliseconds, to 56 seconds, 267. Are you kidding me, Mark? You can do this? We can not only do it, but we'll keep all the stats for you, what's going on. Again, that's going against the direct query that people want to use, operational data. Okay, we can go here. You see it running, and that's just bringing back, excuse me, all of the females and where they're from and what they're doing. Look at this stuff, guys. I want to go to another one I had. I think this was it. And I'm going against the good old car file right on the mainframe. And you can see I can go here. I can say, give me a table, right? That's the table as you know. And then I can say, hey, make a visualization out of this. Look at this. Pretty amazing, I would say. You can make it big. You could have whatever you want to have and run things. Right? So let's digest this for a minute. What are we doing? We're leveraging the metadata on the mainframe that you had, right? You spent years building against whatever data source, whether it's IMS, VSAM, DB2, and you're allowing other BI tools to get the data. And here's one that I always build. This is in Focus doing the same thing, right? But now we're exposing the other ones to allow to go get the data, the other visualization tools to utilize that mainframe and pull the data back and get the reports that you want to get. Once it's finished, there you go. You see everything in flux there? And then we could go back here and say we want to take it off. And that went live to the mainframe to get.
That's all I've got for today. I think we ended right at the top of the hour. Appreciate everybody's time today.
Yes, thank you very much for attending.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye, guys.
Bye.